Hi everyone, welcome back to another house tour. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, sharing with you all an affordable 3-bedroom detached property from Keepmoat Homes. This is Staveley. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. It could be useful to you. This is located in Wakefield. Going with the floor plans, in the ground floor you have the living room, garage, kitchen with dining and a washroom. On the first floor you have 3 bedrooms, with the master bedroom having the ensuite facilities and a common family bathroom. Now as you enter the house you'll find a small hall in front of you which leads you towards the living room. This model is little different from the other models which we have seen. So here you'll be entering into your living room first, and through the living room you can go towards your kitchen and dining which are coming at the back, and even the staircase is given in the middle, which is completely different from the other properties. So this is the living room. It's quite spacious and airy. You can easily plan 2 to 3 sofa sets and a TV set, and there's plenty of light and ventilation because you're getting a wide window in the front. Overall, a decent living room with good space. And just after the living room, you get the washroom and also the space for the staircase, which I'll be sharing with you all later. Now, let's check out the kitchen and the dining, which are coming at the back. I really like this kitchen a lot. For a 3-bedroom properties, you don't get such a big kitchen normally, and in this price. Towards one side, you can plan a dining table like this. You also have garden access through these wide French doors given, and towards the other side, you have the complete kitchen space, wherein the worktop is spread out on all the 3 sides. And they also gave a nice wide window, so plenty of natural light falling in the kitchen space. You get all the basic things fitted in: the cabinets, gas hob, and the regular worktops. If you want to go for the upgraded versions, you can go. And if you want the integrated fridge freezer, you can get it done. So here they planned a single door fridge. If you want to go for a double door one, you can. Otherwise, you'll get this extra cabinet space. You also get a nice garden with fence around it. And just beside this dining space here, you also have a small storage space with door and lock. This is all about the kitchen and the dining space. Now, just as you come out of the kitchen, towards your right side, you'll have the washroom here in the ground floor. The space looks okay. You have the water closet, sink, and there's an exhaust. And just opposite to this washroom, you have the staircase which leads towards the first floor. Now on the first floor, as I told you, you have 3 bedrooms, with the master bedroom having the ensuite facilities and a common family bathroom. So this is the master bedroom of the house. It's a double bedroom. The space is quite okay. You can easily plan a double cot or a king size bed, and there's enough room space to walk around. You get a nice wide window towards one side, so plenty of light falling in this room. Since it's the master bedroom, you have the attached bath which is coming towards this side, and the space in the bathroom also looks okay. It's given in length. Towards one side you have this water closet sink and there's a window, and towards the opposite side they gave the walk-in shower. You can also plan a wardrobe like this in the bedroom towards the front end. Overall, a decent bedroom with good space. Now let's check out other rooms in this property. So just beside this master bedroom, you have the common family bathroom. Again, the space is good in this bathroom. You have the tub, water closet sink, and the window also is quite wide. Now moving towards the second bedroom of the house. This is again a double bedroom. You can plan a double cot bed and there's enough room space to walk around. Again, it's up to you. If you want, you can go for a wardrobe in this room, or you can ignore it to get more space. But actually in this property, all the 3 bedrooms have got really good space. And towards one side, you still get a nice wide window, so plenty of natural light falling in this bedroom. You can plan it as a kids room, guest room, anything you want to. Now exploring the third bedroom of the house. Again, it's a double bedroom. You can easily plan a double cot bed and there's really good room space to walk around. You're getting a wide window towards one side, so plenty of natural light falling in this room. If you want, you can also plan a big wardrobe towards the front end. Actually, all the 3 bedrooms in this particular property are of really good space. And just as you come out of this third bedroom, towards your left side you have another small storage space with a door provided. You can hang your coats in this room or plan some kind of storage. We covered all the rooms in this property. Overall, a decent house with really reasonable price. Now let's check out the garage and the front views of the house. As I told you, this is an independent detached property. You get a garage here towards the front end. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.